Hey everybody, author Darren Hardy says that learning without execution is useless. Like, if you are watching this video, listening to some motivational stories, reading self-development books, learning new things, and if you are not executing what you have learned, then you are just wasting your time. And believe me, time is the most powerful thing in the world. And to prove you this, I will share some amazing examples and stories in this video which I have picked from the book The Compound Effect, written by Darren Hardy. I will share the real techniques of rich people that they use to build wealth, and if you apply the same techniques, then nobody can stop you to achieve your dreams. So watch this video very carefully till the end because it will take you to the path of success. So let's get started. Suppose two child take birth in same year. One is you and one is your friend. Parents of both the child have long vision and they both understand the importance of money. So for you, your parents deposited rupees 1 lakh as fixed deposit at the rate of 15% on simple interest, and on the other side, for your friend, his parents also deposited rupees 1 lakh as fixed deposit at the rate of 15% but on compound interest. Both the parents were very caring and they knew that this money will help their child at the time of their retirement. Yes, they were such a long visionist that instead of thinking for themselves, they thought for you, they thought for your retirement. Now you and your friend both grows, take good educations, do jobs, work hard, and finally the day of your retirement came. Now you both are 58 years old. Both of your parents are still with you and now they let you know about the fixed deposit and ask you to withdraw them. You calculate your money according to the simple interest of 15%, and after checking your bank you came to know that it is now 9.7 times more than the principal amount. So your 1 lakh grows into 9,70,000. You are very happy now, thanking your parents for such a wonderful long vision they have. But now your friend visits the bank, calculates his money with the same interest rate of 15%, which was compounding every year, and now his 1 lakh has been turned into 33 crore 14 lakh 93,289. So this is the power of compounding. This is the real compound effect. The author says ordinary is easy. Extraordinary is what will separate you from the crowd. Your friend's parents were extraordinary. They knew the behavior of money. So if you don't know how money works and still following the rat race by not investing your money to compound, then you come under the category of ordinary people. And if you wanna shift from ordinary to extraordinary category, then please understand the nature of money and how it compounds with time, because 9,70,000 is nothing in front of 33 crore 14 lakh 93,289. Okay, let's take a different example for a crystal clear understanding of compound effect. What if I give you two options? First, take 30 lakhs today, or second, take rupees 1 today, which will double every day for 31 days. So what will you choose? But before choosing any option, please remember your decision shape your destiny, and everyday decision will either take you to the life you desire or to disaster by default. So you can pause this video here and think a little about it. Okay, suppose you choose the first option of 30 lakh today and your friend choose the second option of rupees 1 today, getting double every day for 31 days. After 5 days, your friend have only rupees 60, but you have 30 lakhs. You bought your new car and your friend feels bad. Everyone taunt him for choosing the second option, tells him that you should have chosen the first option. On day 20, when only 11 days are left, your friend have only rupees 5,243. He thinks after sacrificing so much, he only had rupees 5,243 and you still have the same 30 lakhs. You feel very proud on your decision. But wait, because on day 29, that rupees 1 has been grown into 27 lakh and you still have that 30 lakhs. But the real compound effect comes on day 31, because that rupees 1 has grown into more than 1 crore 7 lakhs, which is 3 30 times more than your 30 lakhs. So this is the power of compounding, which your friend used, but you were not so smart to use it. Compounding slowly over time creates a huge impact. If we look at this graph, we can figure out how compounding works. Results are very slow at starting, but if we are consistent, then it will create a huge compound effect, and after a certain point of time, things grow rapidly. But the problem with most of the people are their impatience behavior. When they don't see results at the early stage, they quit. Likewise, if somebody joins gym to lose weight and they don't see results in a few months, they quit. Most of us wants to change our life, and for that we start reading books, start watching some motivational videos, and so on. But these things don't give a quick results, so we quit before the compounding point. Guys, any behavior, good or bad, becomes automatic over time, and the compound effect is always working, and it will always take you somewhere. We usually carry a very wrong perspective about rich people, that they are lucky, but everyone has the opportunity to be lucky, because luck simply comes down to a series of choices, and choices can be our best friend or our worst enemy. First you make your choice, and then your choice makes you. Guys, if you are having trouble doing the hard work for achieving your goals, if you are not making the progress that you would like to make, and you know you are capable of making that progress, it is simply because your goals are not clearly decided. So the only thing you have to figure out is to decide where you want to go. So please decide today what is your goal, where you want to go. Then wait for the compound effect to work, and you will see the result very soon. Till then, support us by subscribing to this channel. Be happy. God is with you.